Good morning, all of you, and once again, welcome to our Gyan Jyoti online classes. And students, today we will start our new topic, new exercise of chapter number 7, that is game addiction. Okay, game addiction. So we have read about this chapter that how two brothers get indulged in such a way that the robbers rob their house. The thieves, they stole all the valuable things from their house. They were engaged in such a way in video games that they even can't see that the robbers, that the theft came to their house and stole all the things. Okay, so one should not be addicted in such a way that they can't see the robbers or thieves. Okay, so game addiction is a bad habit. Okay, game addiction is a bad habit. One should not be addicted to such a way in games. Yes, of course it is true that each and everyone should play games to entertain themselves. Okay, to entertain oneself one should play games. Okay, but the game addiction, one should not be addicted in such a way. Okay, so let's do our exercise. Okay, so come to comprehension section, that is A1. Mark this statement as true, if or false if. Okay, so here are some statements and we have to mark out that statements whether it is true or false. So first one is, the poem is about two brothers addicted to video games. Okay, the poem is about two brothers addicted to video games. So the statement is true. Okay, the statement is true because it is a poem about two brothers who are completely addicted to the video games. They were playing video games and the robbers, the theft, they stole everything from their house. They would always complete their homework before playing video games. Okay, they would always complete their homework before playing video games. So this statement is false. Okay, this statement is false because they prefer video games before the homework. Okay, they prefer video games before homework. So this statement is false. Their neighbors came to visit them when they had left the door of their house open. Okay, their neighbors came to visit them when they had left the door of their house open. So this statement is also false. Okay, their neighbors, they didn't come to see them. That is the theft. The thieves, they came to their home and swept away all the things. Okay, they stole each and everything. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay, so third number is false. The boys ignored the milkman's roar. The boys ignored the milkman roar. So this statement is true. Yes, it is true that the boys, they ignored the milkman. Okay, so fourth number statement is true. The thieves even slept in their beds and had breakfast the next morning. Okay, the thieves even slept in their beds and had breakfast the next morning. So this statement is also true. Okay. The mother of the boys was not at home when their house was looted. Okay, the mother of the boys was not at home when their house was looted. Yes, this statement is true that the mother, okay, that mother of both the boys was not present at the time of when the house was looted. Okay, she has been to somewhere else. The brothers were happy to be taken to the doctor. Okay, statement is false. Okay, they were not interested to go to the doctor. Okay, despite they want to finish their video games. Okay, so this statement is false. ठीक है ना, फिर से क्या पहले से बता दे रहा हूँ. द पोएम इज अबाउट टू ब्रदर्स एडिक्टेड टू वीडियो गेम्स. ये स्टेटमेंट क्या है, ट्रू है क्योंकि दोनों बच्चे क्या है, वीडियो गेम्स के क्या है, एडिक्टेड थे. दे वुड ऑलवेज कंप्लीट देयर होमवर्क बिफोर प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स. ये स्टेटमेंट क्या फॉल्स है क्योंकि वो वीडियो गेम्स को क्या ज़्यादा प्रेफर देते थे, ठीक है ना, अपना होमवर्क से. देयर नेबर्स केम टू विजिट देम व्हेन दे हैड लेफ्ट द डोर ऑफ देयर हाउस ओपन. तो नेबर देखने नहीं आए थे, वो थेफ्ट थे, ठीक है ना, जो चोरी करने आए थे. द बॉयज इग्नोर द मिल्कमैन, ये स्टेटमेंट क्या ट्रू है, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि वो मिल्कमैन को क्या है अनदेखा किए, जब वो चिल्लाया मिल्क लेने के लिए तब क्या है वो अनदेखा किए, उसकी बात को ध्यान नहीं दिए। द थीव्स इवन स्लेप्ट इन देयर बेड्स एंड हैड ब्रेकफास्ट द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग, ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है क्योंकि जो थीव्स थे वो उनकी क्या बेड में सोए और क्या सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट भी किए, ठीक है ना। द मदर ऑफ द बॉयज वॉज नॉट एट होम व्हेन देयर हाउस वॉज लिटरड, ये स्टेटमेंट भी क्या है ट्रू है, क्योंकि जब ये सब हुआ, मतलब जब थीव्स उनके घर को लूटपाट किए तब उनकी माँ क्या है घर में नहीं थी। द ब्रदर्स वेयर हैप्पी टू बी टेकन टू द डॉक्टर, ओके, ये स्टेटमेंट क्या है फॉल्स है, बिकॉज दे वेयर एडिक्टेड इन गेम्स इन सच ए वे दैट दे प्रीफर completing their video games instead of going to doctors, okay. Then come to the question answer section, okay, come to question answer section, that is answer this question, okay, answer this question. Why did the boys not do their homework, okay, why do the boys, so why did the boys not do their homework, तो boys अपना homework क्यों नहीं किया करते थे, they didn't do their homework because they were addicted to video games and preferred to compete in the games, okay. They didn't do their homework because they were addicted to video games and preferred to compete in the games, okay. तो वो होमवर्क इसलिए नहीं करते क्योंकि वो किस में एडिक्टेड थे, वीडियो गेम्स में क्या है एडिक्टेड थे, they were addicted to video games और प्रेफर किसको क्या करते थे कंपीट करने के लिए, ठीक है ना। वीडियो गेम्स में क्या है कंपटीशन होता है, कौन जीतेगा कौन हारेगा, तो उसमें क्या है वो मतलब कंपटीशन कर रहे थे, ठीक है ना, इसलिए क्या है वो वीडियो गेम्स पूरा एडिक्टेड थे, मतलब कंपटीशन चल रहा था और एडिक्टेड थे, इसलिए वो होमवर्क नहीं किए। कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट हैपेंड वन नाइट व्हेन द बॉयज फॉरगॉट टू क्लोज द डोर, व्हाट हैपेंड वन नाइट व्हेन द बॉयज फॉरगॉट टू क्लोज द डोर, एक रात क्या होता है जब बच्चे क्या दरवाजा बंद करना भूल जाते हैं। बर्गलर्स, तो वर बर्गलर्स द थेफ्ट, ओके, थेफ्ट, बर्गलर्स मीन्स थीव्स, ओके, बर्गलर्स ब्रोक इनटू देयर हाउस व्हेन देयर बॉयज फॉरगॉट टू क्लोज द डोर, ओके, बर्गलर्स broke into their house when the boys forgot to close the doors, okay. So when they forgot to close the door, the thieves they came into their house, they slept in their beds, have taken breakfast in the morning, they looted all the things, valuable things from their house, ठीक है ना। जो बर्गलर्स का मतलब थीव्स आए, ठीक है ना, उनके घर में क्या है ना, थीव्स उनके घर में आए, सुबह क्या ब्रेकफास्ट किए और क्या जितना भी सामान था उसको सबको क्या है लेकर चले गए। नंबर 3, व्हाट डिड द थीव्स स्टील फ्रॉम द हाउस, ओके, व्हाट डिड द थीव्स स्टील फ्रॉम द हाउस, सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर स्टोलन फ्रॉम द हाउस, द थीव्स स्टोल वैल्यूएबल्स, क्लॉथेस, बुक्स, शेल्फ्स, सुपरमैन एंड एसी, ओके, द थीव्स स्टोल वैल्यूएबल्स, क्लॉथेस, बुक्स, शेल्फ्स, सुपरमैन एंड एसी, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वर स्टोलन बाय द थीव्स। क्या क्या स्टोल किए, वैल्यूएबल्स मतलब जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स कुछ भी वैल्यूएबल थिंग्स था, ठीक ना, वो क्या है चोरी किए, क्लॉथेस कपड़े जितने थे, बुक्स थे, शेल्स जिनमें कि कपड़े वपड़े बुक्स वगैरह क्या रखे जाते हैं वो शेल्स को भी क्या है वो ले गए, सुपरमैन, ठीक है ना, और क्या है एसी भी था वो भी उसको क्या है लेकर चले गए, ओके। सो दीज आर द थिंग्स स्टोलन बाय द थीव्स। Question number 4, what did thieves do afterwards, okay, so what did thieves do afterwards? The thieves slept on the brother's bed at night. In the morning they had eggs and pasta in breakfast and also used the loo, okay. The thieves slept on the brother's bed at night and in the morning, okay, in the morning they had eggs and pasta in breakfast and also use the loo, okay. So after stealing the valuables, what other things they did in the house, okay. So first of all they slept, okay, they slept on the brother's bed at night, okay, at night they had slept on bed and in the morning they had pasta and eggs in the breakfast and also used the loo। तो क्या है चोरी करने के बाद वो और क्या क्या किए, पहली चीज तो क्या है वो रात भर क्या है बेड में सोई, ठीक है ना। उसके बाद सुबह उठ कर क्या है नाश्ते में एग्स और क्या है पास्ता खाए, ठीक है ना, और क्या है यू को भी क्या है यूज किया। ओके, सो व्हाई डिड द मदर इग्नोर द बॉयज प्ली? डू यू थिंक शी मेड द राइट डिसीजन? सो व्हाई डिड द मदर इग्नोर द बॉयज प्ली? तो बॉयज क्या रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे थे कि हमको क्या है डॉक्टर के पास नहीं जाना है, हमको क्या है वीडियो गेम्स खेलने हैं। सो व्हाई डिड द मदर इग्नोर? सो व्हाई शी इग्नोर देयर प्ली? ओके, the mother ignored the boy's plea as she was amazed to see the boys glued to the screen and also the bad condition of the house. She took the right decision as the boys really needed help. Okay, so when she came back to house, okay, she was completely amazed when she saw that both the children are glued to the screen. ठीक है ना, जब वो घर वापस आई तो वो क्या है देखकर चौंक जाती है कि दोनों जो बच्चे थे वो क्या है टीवी स्क्रीन में क्या है चिपक करके है बैठे हैं, मतलब वीडियो गेम्स क्या है खेल रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। ऑल्सो शी सॉ द कंडीशन ऑफ हर हाउस, ठीक है ना, और घर का कंडीशन भी वो देखी, ठीक है ना। तो जैसे ही मतलब वो देखी कि घर क्या है लूटपाट हो गया है, द हाउस वॉज लूटेड, ही वॉज सीरियस अबाउट बोथ द बॉयज। ओके, she took the right decision as the boys really needed help. Okay, and she took the right decision there that these two boys should be taken to the doctors. Okay, so yes, of course she made the correct decision. Okay, then come to A3, explain these lines with reference to the context. Okay, so first it is an extract given. Okay, no, now homework went incomplete as they preferred to compete in the game downloaded a day before they were on the level 4. Okay, now homework went incomplete as they preferred to compete in the game downloaded a day before when they were on the level 4. Okay, it is an extract and here are some questions that we have to do. Okay, who are they in these lines? So here they are the two boys. So in this context here they refers to the two brothers. So can anyone be so addicted to games? Discuss. Okay, so can anyone be so addicted to games? No, one can't be addicted to games. Okay, one can't be addicted to games as it could lead to serious problems like wrist, neck and elbow pain. Long-term addictions could lead to obesity. So one should not be addicted to games in such a way that it could create problems, serious issues like the wrist or neck pain, elbow pain, okay, backache. So these are some serious problems. Those who are addicted to video games, those who are playing each and every day, and those who are glued to the screen. Okay, so these are some serious cases what have seen. These are some serious cases that have been seen from many by many people. Okay, also long-term addiction could lead to obesity. And long-term addiction, long-term gaming can lead to obesity. Okay, तो क्या है गेम एडिक्शन बहुत ही क्या है अच्छी बात नहीं है, ठीक है ना। कह सकते हैं कि क्या है किसी को भी क्या है गेम्स में इतना एडिक्टेड नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि एडिक्शन क्या है बहुत सारे सीरियस प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि नेक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, ठीक है ना, बैक प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, रिस्ट प्रॉब्लम हो सकता है, ठीक है ना। और लॉन्ग टर्म एडिक्शन लंबे समय तक के लिए अगर हम गेम्स खेलते हैं तो क्या ओबेसिटी भी होता है, जिसमें क्या है गैस की प्रॉब्लम क्या बहुत हो जाता है। Then come to next context, books, shelves, Superman and AC. They took away whatever they could see, but after much consideration, they did not touch the PlayStation. Books, shelves, Superman and AC. They took away whatever they could see, but after much consideration, they did not touch the PlayStation. So who are they in this line? So here they refers to the thieves. Okay, they refers to the thieves. And why did they not touch the PlayStation? So why didn't they touch the PlayStation? The brothers requested the thieves not to take away their PlayStation. Okay, it was both brothers. It was the brothers who requested that thieves that the student they pleaded them, they requested them not to take their PlayStation. ओके, तो यहाँ पर क्या है, दोनों बच्चे क्या करते हैं, थीव्स को क्या है रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारा जो PlayStation है वो मत ले जाओ, ठीक है ना, बाकी घर का सब सामान ले जा सकते हो, हमारा जो PlayStation है वीडियो गेम्स है वो क्या है मत लो. ओके, then come to the third extract. Okay, papers report the thieves did wait till the morning when they went to bath, had eggs and pasta and breakfast too, didn't forget to use the loo. Okay, क्या है जो पेपर्स मतलब ऑन रिकॉर्ड इसमें मेंशन है कि जो थीव्स हैं वो क्या है घर में रुके थे, रात को रुके थे, सुबह क्या ब्रेकफास्ट भी किए, ठीक है ना, और टॉयलेट का भी है वो यूज किए, ठीक है ना. So do you think the thieves had a good time? Why? Let's do. So extract number 3. So do you think the thieves had a good time? Why? The thieves did have a good time because they comfortably stayed in the house overnight, had a good breakfast in the morning with eggs and pasta, and also used the loo when needed. Okay. The thieves did have a good time because they comfortably stayed in the house overnight, had a good breakfast in the morning with eggs and pasta, and also used the loo when needed. Okay, so what else could they have done? What else could they have done? They could have slept in their bed, okay, watched TV and stole it away. Okay, and also they could have used the fridge or other valuable things also. Okay, therefore she carried her songs to the doctor urgently, turning a deaf ear to their endless plea. Oh, wait till we finish our game, mother dear, we have still got the final round to clear. Okay, so this is an abstract. Let's do the question, sir. Why did the mother take her son to a doctor? The mother took her sons to a doctor because they had got badly addicted to the video games. उसकी माँ डॉक्टर के पास इसलिए ले जाती है क्योंकि वो completely क्या है गेम्स में addicted रहते हैं. So do you think the boys needed medical help? Okay, yes, of course they needed medical help because due to their negligence the thieves stole away everything. Okay. They were completely addicted in video games in such a way that they even can't see that their house were stolen away. Okay, their house got stolen. Okay, the thieves stole away everything, and of course they requested the thieves that not to take away their video games. So and stole each and everything. Okay, so it shows their negligence, their annoying habits. Okay, so next come to the vocabulary section. So come to vocabulary section B1. So look at these words from the poem like lose, wait, sore, dear. Okay, now look at this word pairs: lose, lose, wait, sore, dear. So these words sound the same but different meaning and are spelled differently. Such words are called homophones. Okay, so the words which sound similar but have different meanings and are spelled differently are called homophones. Get it? So circle the homophones in these sentences. Okay, so we have to circle out the homophones. The difficult phase in his life did not phase him one bit. Okay, so the homophones are phase. It sounds similar but they are spelled differently and the meanings are also different. Number 2, the hare had soft white hair on its body. It is a hair and it is a hair. Okay, the whole class was curious to see what was hidden in the big hole in the ground. Okay, it is a hole, it is also hole, but the words are differently spelled and they have different meanings. Okay, let's get in the inn and order something to drink. Okay, let's get in the inn and order something to drink. So here inn means it means one type of restaurant, while inn means inside. Okay, he agreed to sell the toy with the sell to customer. Okay, here sell means cell phone, while sell, SEL and sell means to sell things. Okay, serial and serial. Serial is one type of what? Pulses. Okay, while serial is that you watch in TV. Okay, only one child has won the golden trophy. One and one. One it means to win something, and one it means a number. Okay. Which did you dream about the last night? Okay. So which means it means your what you can say that what the lady witch. Okay, witch it means जो क्या है कि भूत प्रेत टाइप के जो विच होते हैं ना, उनको क्या विच बोला जाता है. तो which means कौन सा. Okay. So which it means one type of evil. Okay. Number B, look at these words from the poem. Work with your partner and write a homophone for each of them. Okay. So looking at these words, we have to write a homophone for each of the words. Okay. So first word is what? Night. NIGST, night. So its homophone would be night. NIGST, night. Okay. Number 2, week. WEEK, week. Its homophone will be week. Okay. Sight, sight. Ear, ear. There. Hour, hour. See, when. Okay. Though they pronounced similarly, but yet they have different meanings and are differently spelled. So that is why they are called homophones. So let's come to the grammar section. Look at these words, put them in correct columns in the table below. So here are some words are given in the box, and we have to arrange them in particular boxes. Okay. Okay, here are some words like younger, grace, little, finest, merrier, oldest, more dangerous, worst, more difficult, old, fatter, farthest. So these are some words, okay, given in the box, and we have to put it in the right column. That is positive, comparative, and superlative. Okay. So in case positive, we use we write old and written old, little. Okay. In case in comparative form, we have written younger, more dangerous, merrier, fatter, more difficult. So these are in comparative form. Okay. Finest, greatest, worst, oldest, farthest. These are in superlative forms. Okay. So by looking the words from the box, we have to fill the blanks. ये blanks को तुमको क्या है, columns को fill up करना है words को देखकर. ठीक है. Then come to see to the tick the sentences with the degree of comparison have been used correctly. We have to tick the sentence where the degree of comparison have been correctly used, and in the sentence which is and the incorrect sentence. Okay, in the sentences which are incorrect, we have to write it correctly. Okay. So tick the sentences where the degrees of comparison have been used correctly. Mira is the taller girl in the class. Okay, so taller is not the correct degrees of comparison. So the correct one will be Mira is the tallest girl in the class. Okay, Mira is the tallest girl in the class. Number 2, this was a difficult problem. Okay, this was a difficult problem is a correct sentence. There is no need to change anything else. She is the more excited of them all. Okay, she is the most. Okay, the sentence is incorrect. So you have written the sentence correctly that she is the most excited of them all, because there are a lot of people are there. Okay, and amongst them, she is the one. Okay, so if you compare between 3 to 4% or a group of people, then we use the superlative form of the adjective. Okay, so she is the most excited of them all. Number 4, this giraffe is tallest than that giraffe. So this statement is is also incorrect. This giraffe is taller than that giraffe. Okay, this giraffe is taller than that giraffe. Okay. Number 5, my grandfather was the oldest one. Okay, my grandfather was the oldest one is the correct sentence. Okay. Number 6, this cloth seems finest than that. Okay, this cloth seems finest. This cloth seems finer. Okay, finest than that. Okay, so then that it means there's comparison. There are two clothes. Okay, so here we have to compare between two clothes. So in the sense we use the what comparative form of the adjective. So this clothes seems finer than that. Okay. Number 7, Mount Everest is the taller mountain in the world. So this statement is also incorrect. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Okay. Number 8, she is most intelligent. Okay, she is most intelligent is the correct statement. Number 9, I was the younger one in the whole class. Okay, I was the youngest one in the whole class. Okay, we use the superlative form. I was the youngest one in the whole class. This boy was naughtiest than that one. Okay, so this statement is also incorrect. This boy was naughtier than that one. Was naughtier than that one. Okay. Then come to C3. Okay. Now look at the sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct option. Okay, we have to fill in the blanks with correct option. Okay. Okay. Now look at these sentences. Fill in the blanks with the correct options. Okay, we have to fill in the blanks with correct option. See the number 3. Okay. So in comparison, okay, comparison adjectives, I have written a short form that how to use the form. Okay, no just com. Okay, so see the video. So now look at the sentences. Fill in the blanks with correct options. My uncle gifted me dash bicycle. My uncle gifted me a red new bicycle. So option B is the correct one. Or fill in the blanks with option B. Number 2, my grandfather drives dash car. My grandfather drives an old blue German car. An old blue German car. So option B is the correct one. Number 3, there is dash movie in the cinema this week. There is an interesting new movie. So option A is the right one. Your books are lying on dash table. Your books are lying on the brown wooden table. So number 4, option A. Number 5, all children love dash teacher. Love the new science teacher. The cookies are in the dash container. The cookies are in a large silver metal container. So option A is the correct one. Number C. Then see the number 4. Work in groups of 4. 4 group बनाना है. Look around and write down 95 nouns. Now let each member of this group come up with an adjective for each noun and together put the adjective in the correct order. 4 ग्रुप बनाना है, ठीक है ना, और 5 क्या है, हर एक ग्रुप में क्या है 5-5 क्या नाउन्स लाएंगे और हर एक मेंबर ग्रुप के हर एक के मेंबर्स क्या करेंगे, एक एक एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स जो है लाएंगे. कम अप विद एन एडजेक्टिव फॉर नाउन, ठीक है ना, वही नाउन के लिए एक एक एडजेक्टिव वर्ड भी क्या है लाएंगे. देन टुगेदर पुट द एडजेक्टिव इन करेक्ट ऑर्डर, और उनको क्या करेक्टली पुट करना है. तो जैसे कि नाउन हो गया, ठीक है ना, ब्लू बॉल, ब्लैक बोर्ड, ठीक है, ये सब क्या है नाउन्स हैं और ये क्या है एडजेक्टिव्स हैं, ठीक है ना. ब्लू एडजेक्टिव है, बॉल नाउन है, ब्लैक बोर्ड, ग्रीन पेन, व्हाइट चॉक, रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स, दीज आर ऑल व्हाट एडजेक्टिव्स, व्हाट दीज आर नाउन्स. टुगेदरली दे फॉर्म द वर्ड लाइक ब्लू बॉक्स, ब्लैक बोर्ड, ग्रीन पेन, व्हाइट चॉक, रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स. Get it? Then see the pronunciation section D. There is find the numbers of syllables in these words. Okay, we have to find out the number of syllables. So you have learned that syllables. Okay, syllables always has a vowel. Syllable में क्या है, vowels रहते हैं. And the number of times you hear the vowel sound is the number of syllables in the word. और जितने बार हम vowel sound सुनेंगे उतने बार क्या वो क्या है syllable कहलाएगा. सुनना है, देखना नहीं, ठीक ना. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में 1 सिलेबल वर्ड्स है, तुम्हारे बॉक्स में दिया है ग्रेट, तो वहाँ पे एक ही साउंड सुनाई दे रहा है, एक, ठीक है ना, GREAT, ग्रेट, एक एग, ई जी एग एक ही वर्ड सुनाई दे रहा है, एक ही भावेल वर्ड क्या सुनाई दे रहा है। डीड, ई क्या सुनाई दे रहा है, ठीक है ना। 2 syllable वर्ड्स टीचर, टीचर, ठीक है ना, वहाँ पे 2 भावेल वर्ड सुनाई दे रहे हैं, टीचर, चिकन, 100, ठीक है ना। या 3 syllable वर्ड्स में बाईसाइकिल, डिफिकल्ट, फैमिली, ओके, these are 3 syllable words. So here we have to find out the number of syllables in these words. Like 1 syllable words are cheese, cake, free, okay, it sounds only 1 syllables, 1 vowel. 2 syllables are words are eating, water, okay. 3 syllables words are inferno, elephant, family, telephone, period, okay. So these are all 3 syllable words, these are 2 and these are 1 syllable words. Okay, then come to listening and speaking section, that work in pairs. One of you can play child and the other the grandparent. Role play the situation and study conversation on how you like to spend your time. The student playing the grandparent can talk about his or her childhood memories. So you have to work in pairs and one of the child will be a grandparent and the roles they have to play. And what are the hints फॉर द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, ठीक है ना। ग्रैंड पेरेंट पेयर मतलब ग्रुप बनाना है जिनमें क्या है कुछ रोल प्ले करना है। तो एक बच्चे को क्या है ग्रैंड पेरेंट का क्या है रोल फॉलो करना है, तो दूसरे को क्या है चाइल्ड का, ठीक है ना। तो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का क्या क्या रोल होना चाहिए, हिंट क्या है, लव टू रीड बुक्स, उससे क्या है बुक्स पढ़ना पसंद हो, सेट विथ पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स के साथ क्या बैठना पसंद हो, टॉक टू फ्रेंड्स, प्लेड इन द गार्डन, रीड इन द लाइब्रेरी, एट फ्रेश फूड्स, प्लेड इंडोर गेम्स विथ फैमिली. So these are the hints that grandparents should play. Okay, these are the rules of the grandparents. While what are the rules that the child have to play? Love to read online books, love to play online games, surf on the net, chat with friends on mobile, communicate through various apps, eat fast foods and small meals, spend a lot of time. So these are the hints given for the child, that these are the activities that have to be done by the child in the play. Okay. So children, this is all about our today's videos, and I have completed your exercise of chapter number 7. Hope you have understood it properly. See the videos at first, see the videos, then after go to the PDF or the question section that have been sent to you in WhatsApp. So thank you and have a nice day.